Okay, so we are Wednesday, and I think it's the 20th? Yeah, Wednesday the 20th. So, update, we're going to check on what these guys are doing on the interior of the Blue Narrow Gauge. And Coop is still busy working here. And he's got most of the ceiling installed already. And I got a message from the customer today. They don't want to do anything on the inside in terms of finishing it off. They're going to do that down in Minnesota, including the windows. And so, how did it all go there, Coop? Yeah? Good. Okay. So, we're going to check in with Dad and see what's going on. So the Apprentice is still working on his machine when time permits here. And he's just having a quick meeting with Dad, or they were just having a quick meeting. And we're going to check in with Dad.
So, and a block, because that'll bend up and you fuck something else up.
Okay, so what's going on today?
Well,
I just saw Coop. He's got all the insulation in.
the insulation, we're finishing the strips for the plywood.
Okay.
And then we're going to finish up to here with plywood.
Yeah.
And finish in around here because the frame goes in last.
Yeah.
So whatever he wants to do after that's up to him.
Yeah, he said he doesn't want us to do the sides or the mirrors.
No, okay.
So,
you go to that side.
I will.
Okay, can you hold the light over here for me so I can explain to you?
Yeah.
See in here?
Yeah.
That
All that
wall
rust.
has to be cleaned out real good.
Yeah.
That's silicone.
Okay.
Because you get water in there, it starts rusting, and then this wall coming off of the frame.
Yeah.
Like,
Same there, yeah.
When those guys were spraying, they should have cleaned it really out good. Because that's just a trap for rust. If the water gets in there, it's going to bugger up their wall, and then rust showing.
Yeah. Okay, so that's part of the cleanup process here. We're gonna do all that, get that prepped.
Anyway,
And we got spray for that, so.
once we get this up, then we're going to the motor and transmission.
Oh, you are gonna go straight to the motor and transmission? Okay.
We're not doing nothing else.
Okay, well, you're busy doing this. What are you doing for light duty today for yourself? Besides supervision?
More or less supervising.
Okay. Okay, well, we're going to check in with Mr. Perkins. What are you working on to improve your machine?
Gonna take these wheels off. We're gonna rip the floor out and put a new floor in underneath.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's working a little on this one whenever he needs me.
This high, so we can get underneath and cut the floor off.
Okay. Is it a metal floor or wooden floor? What is it?
It's a metal floor, yeah.
Broken off, and we're going to put a new one on like this guy has.
Okay.
Thicker and better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's a couple $100 for the steel, right?
He
I got-
said, cost is no object at this street.
I already got the okay from my wife.
Oh, well, yeah.
I explained
You just
to
tell her. Don't ask for permission. You tell her she's a lucky woman that you're around and you got a bombardier to do.
I
I
told
can
him
tell her you're single then, are you?
Yeah.
everything is possible, but it costs money.
Yeah.
Money, eh?
Yeah, well, just let her know she's a lucky woman. Not too many guys would let her do this. So yeah, okay.
I'm a lucky guy.
So are you excited about doing your floor restoration work then?
Yeah, it's gonna be way better.
Okay.
Tinny floor, it always breaks the spot welds every time you rub it against something. Just
Yeah,
grab
yeah.
the blade out of there, whatever.
One of the I'm not telling you what to do on your machine. One of the things Dad started doing was he you might have seen this on another video where he puts a little bit of a pot into underneath the differential.
Yeah, we already talked about
Oh,
that's
good.
gonna happen.
Yeah,
'Cause
so-
mine sticks out the hole.
Yeah.
So, it's everything.
Perfect. So just when you're cutting everything out, just make sure you got good grinding discs and wear safety glasses so you don't get shit in your eye.
You betcha.
So good. Face shield's good. Okay. Well, make sure you got lots of dunnage because we got lots over there too. Use lots. Make sure it's safe. So what's the other thing you're going to do after putting in the new floor? Like are you doing the welding or is Dad doing the welding?
Well, I think your dad will be doing the welding.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't
He's got about 50 years more experience on welding, or what?
I get to touch the grinder now anyway.
Oh,
Move it up, eh?
I'm not even allowed to touch the grinder.
Oh,
No, shit, no. I'm 51. I'm not allowed to touch the grinder.
So I felt pretty good that day. I got the
Oh,
grinder
well,
done,
that's
so-
that's module 21, being able to touch the grinder. Yeah, okay.
But anybody that knows me knows I'm not much of a welder. but I do
Okay,
weld.
yeah, good. So, when you're done with your floor, what's the next thing you want to tackle?
Getting the front end done. We're going to redress the bogies here. Going to take the springs out and put new springs in them all.
Okay. Have you priced out new springs
Well,
versus just
well-
buying brand new bogies altogether?
Yeah, they're like 300 to 130
Okay.
type thing to rebuild them. I think.
Okay.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Not to the thing. These are the ones. These are my front shocks here.
Yeah.
He can make them better new by putting new shafts in for half price of new ones.
Okay.
Because these shafts are no good.
I'm not telling him how to spend his money. If you
And-
guys want to
and,
save costs there.
This one here, there was Mickey Mouse and Fun Fun might be a spare as is.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, then you could say the suspension's been done.
Yeah.
Pretty much new, eh, boss?
Everything is new.
Everything.
Well, when you leave here, you'll have a machine that's worth something,
Yeah.
and you'll be proud of.
Yeah.
And
Well, I
then-
was proud, and I thought it was worth something already.
And then down the road, they might be calling you to do all the Bombardier renovations.
I don't know. I'm a pretty busy guy.
Yeah.
Got boats to
Okay.
build, you know?
Yeah. Okay. So you're happy then with the progress so far?
Oh, very happy. Yeah.
Still playing nice with Dad?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. Yeah. Don't say that apprehensively. You go, yes, yes, yes.
Not bad.
So how's your sense of humor?
Oh, it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gotta keep smiling all day long.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay. As long as you guys are playing nice. Okay. Well, I'm glad you're here, both you and Coop, because Dad's arm is still a little gamey. So
Yeah.
help out with the heavy lifting. That's what I like doing.
Help out any way we can. That's for sure.
Okay. And yeah. So that's the check-in for today, guys. Oh yeah. Good.
I got the new gifts through there.
Are you and Coop playing nice?
Oh yeah.
Okay, good.
Hey.
Both got the same barber for your beards, I see. Yeah. Okay.
You bet.
Okay.